Hi, boys and girls. Happy Monday and Tuesday for science. So, I would like to go ahead and share with you what it is that you have to do, really. There is only one thing that you have to complete for Monday and Tuesday. I'm going to go ahead and go over that in just 1 minute. But before we do that, over here, step number one, our resources, the video that you're listening to right now, your anchor chart for ESI, Earth System Interactions, your vocabulary words, and of course, if you have any questions, please go ahead and click on this link. Okay, so for your task number one, this is something that I've done for the past 2 years. The students really seem to enjoy it. So what I do want you to do is on Google Classroom, there is going to be an example of past projects that people have done. For example, it's going to be looking at two different spheres, characteristics of each one of those spheres, and how they interact with each other, and what would happen if there was a break in that interaction. So I'm just going to go ahead. Let's go ahead and click on example number 2. I will post all 4 of them for you. So you're going to get a blank template that will give the details of what you need to do in each one. This is just what a completed one looks like. So here they gave the title on the title page. They did how a geosphere interacts with an atmosphere. They took each one of the spheres, gave characteristics of it, the geosphere, the atmosphere. Then they said how they would interact with each other. Then they said what would happen if these two spheres, there was a break in the spheres, if something happened to it. Okay, so those are the slides. Please feel free if you'd like to add anything else, you may, but those are the main requirements. So this is what you will be having. Here you go. Your title page is your first page. Then your second page, look at down here, spheres and characteristics of that sphere. So here is your first sphere. Your second sphere, directions are right down here on the bottom. How do these spheres interact with each other? Go ahead, give it whatever label you want. Double click on the top. Then the last slide, what would happen if there was a disruption in their interaction between the two spheres. So really, these 5 slides are the only things that you have to do. These are the must-dos. You can go ahead and include anything else if you would like. Get as creative as you want, making your own background, but you must do those 5 slides. So there you go. You're going to go ahead. You're going to review. You could look at all 4 of them. And then you're going to go ahead and do these. So this is what you have for Monday and Tuesday. I'm very excited to see what these look like. So you guys have a really good day. I will not be available on Monday because I will be at school cleaning up the classroom. Okay, but if you need to email me for science, I will look at my emails when I come back and try and touch base with you on Tuesday. If you have any math questions, please go ahead and ask Miss Caputo. Thanks, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.